Hello.
Hello.
Hello, yes,
Yeah, am I speaking to Mr. Rao?
that's right.
Sir, hi, this is Shweta from Lodha, Palava. Actually, one of my colleagues, Mr. Yogendra, spoke to you regarding my project for 3 BHK apartment, right?
Yeah, someone called me a couple of days ago, yes.
Yeah, so I believe you want to see the actual flat in at ours, right?
I do, yes, I would like to see the actual flat.
Yeah, so can you come at the site? I'll arrange pickup and drop for you because,
Um,
I can show you the actual site and actual flat if you want.
right,
Some
I can
sample
do
flat.
that, but I would also like to have all the details. So can you send me the,
Sure. So
uh,
can you tell me what is your budget bracket? Because I have two carpet area in 3 BHK. One
hmm,
is 950. For
hmm,
that, the all-inclusive rate will be something around 90 to 95 lakhs, which will be
okay,
including your GST registration, stamp duty, car parking.
hmm,
And then I have 1100 carpet. For that, the
okay,
all-inclusive rate will be 1.20 CR.
okay.
Hanji. So we have ready.
1.20 is comfortable. It's all inclusive means GST, everything, right? Maintenance, clubhouse
Everything.
charges, everything.
Actually, sir, maintenance clubhouse charges, that is, something we take at the time of possession. So
Okay,
that
so
is
that
always
is not all
excluding
inclusive.
charges.
So
No,
there are a
matlab
few other
only,
charges.
not few others, only your maintenance cost and your amenities cost. So we will be including your 18 months of maintenance charge and 5 years of amenities cost. So after possession, you don't have to pay maintenance for 18 months and you don't have to pay amenities charges for 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the amount that we will be taking on the time of possession because the price which I told you 120 is little bit negotiable. So we cannot include the possession charge because that is the mandatory amount in which we cannot do anything.
Understood.
Yeah. So that is always excluding part that we take on the time of possession.
Okay, okay. Acha, but when I'm
Okay.
giving a token,
Yeah.
you're paying GST on the token?
Paying GST in the sense I didn't get
See,
it.
when a token, so a token amount will be, I'll have to pay a token amount, right?
Yeah, that will
Of
be something around 1.5 lakhs.
1.5 lakhs. 10%, no? Or 9%? 9% of the.
Sir, token amount is always something around 1.5 lakhs. Then you will
No,
be
it is
getting
not a percentage. It is not a percentage of.
no, that is not a percentage. That is a fixed amount that we take from the customer to block the unit and block the pricing. Because what pricing I can give you on first visit, that price I cannot give you, later on. So
So
that
why
is the
is that?
price
What
that
is that first visit thing? I didn't understand that.
because we have something called as spot booking offer and then we have regular offer. In regular offers, definitely I'll give you some negotiation and pricing. But what major I can do is during the time of spot booking offer. So this is something, that we have kept for the customers who can block their unit immediately. So if I will show you the actual site, everything I will be showing you, okay?
Hmm.
And then if everything suits your budget, everything suits your requirement, then you can just block the unit because I honestly have, limited inventories in 3 BHK because that is something that we have made exclusively luxurious apartments.
Yeah,
So
but I
I
don't want
literally
to. I don't want to book anything like that. That's a very hasty decision to
I
block the
understand.
unit. To block the unit in a very hasty decision in the very first
I
visit.
I understand, sir. I understand, but there are customers, who are, genuinely interested, who want to buy a property, and if everything suits their requirements, then they take the decision immediately because
Very
there's
hasty. No.
nothing to think about it. Because whatever pricing they are asking for, I am giving you that price.
Okay, I am
Whatever,
willing to look at it like that also. But you do
yeah,
one thing because when I
yes.
sign on, when I pay the token, right,
Hmm.
and the token is not refundable, right, then I'm making a
Yes.
commitment to pay not only the token but the booking amount and all the amounts after
Yeah,
that.
definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Anji.
basically, I'm going to be signing. Paying a token is
Finalizing
like
the apartment. Yeah,
exactly
you are
finalizing the apartment, finalizing
yes,
the unit, everything, right?
True, true,
So,
true, sir.
and accepting all the terms and conditions that go within the with the flat.
So we are going to explain you before the booking process. We will be explaining you what are the terms and conditions, how is the
Ah,
process going on,
no, I'll tell you
what
my
will be.
problem. See, I am
Yes, tell me.
55 years old. Okay.
Okay. Hanji.
So my attention span is quite limited. You may be explaining everything honestly. Quite
Hanji.
honestly, I feel that the terms and conditions are very complicated. And somebody, it is like taking, 4 or 5 classes of a very boring subject like civics or something, and doing it in one single session, which is very, very difficult. I can't even do one lesson of civics at my age, and you're going to make me do a crash course of 4 or 5. So I just won't be able to absorb it. So for me, it takes a long time to read it,
No
understand
issues,
it.
sir.
Okay,
So
so do
that,
me a favor. So do me a
yeah,
favor. Okay,
sure.
because I'll be very happy to look at this offer,
Hmm. Hmm,
even
hmm,
of that
hmm.
first visit offer. But do me
Hmm, hmm.
one favor, please send
Yes.
me the terms and conditions so that I will read the terms and conditions. At
Sir,
least I will have done my homework. See, because I don't want to be, you know, when I'm thinking
hmm.
for whether I want to swipe the card for that
Hmm.
first visit benefit
Hmm.
and all that,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
I don't want to be also thinking about the terms and conditions. I mean, it is like doing mental math and geography and geometry at the same time. I can't do it. I can't do it. And trying to remember some lines of poetry. You know, I won't be
I
able to do
understand.
all of that in one
Yeah.
visit. So what will happen eventually is I will always ignore everything else and I will come down to, do I want to take the flat? Don't I want to take the flat? And my gosh, what a lovely, offer you have given me. And how sad it will be if I have to miss your offer. So my entire thinking will be going only in that one direction. So do me a
Hmm.
favor,
Yes.
let me do my homework and come there so that I have
Sir,
done all the other
actually,
things and then I can only focus on your flat. See, if I have to focus on your terms and conditions and your flat,
sir,
then I won't be able to look at your flat. I won't be
sir,
able to
I
think
got
about
your
it.
point.
You got it,
I
na?
got your
So can you
point.
send me
Sir,
terms and conditions and all that, please?
sir, can I tell you something?
Yep.
The thing is, sir, terms or conditions are only mentioned on the booking form. So that
Correct.
just first let me
Okay,
just
okay,
speak.
okay.
Please.
Yes,
So
yes.
the thing is terms and conditions are the things, you don't have to literally pay attention because there's nothing, the signs in that. So it is just that sir, you have given me, I'll tell you in short, okay?
Okay,
So basically, you are giving me 1.5 lakhs of token amount,
okay,
okay?
okay.
Then within 5 to 6 days, you have to give me the remaining, like if you have given me 1.5 lakhs from the 10% amount of the agreement value, then you have within 5 to 6 days, you have to pay me the rest amount,
The rest of the
okay?
10%.
Yeah, like 1.5 lakhs will be deducted from your 10%.
Hmm.
Then it will be something you have to pay something around, 5 to 6 lakhs of amount to me.
Hmm.
That will be pending that you need to pay within 5 to 6 days.
Okay,
Then after that 6 days, you will be getting a call from the registration office
okay,
to book your allotment. Okay? So after
okay,
25 days, you need to do your stamp duty and registration. So
okay,
that guy will call you. They will ask you, sir, when are you available to come at the registration office?
got it.
Accordingly, they'll keep that slot for you.
Huh.
Then 25 days later, you need to do your stamp duty registration. Stamp duty will be something around 4%.
Okay.
It is actually 4%, and then registration is
And after stamp
25,
duty
30,000.
registration, how soon should I pay the first installment after booking
So
amount?
the thing is, I have ready to move in inventories and I also have under construction inventories.
Okay.
So if you are going for a ready to move in option, then you
Yeah.
need to pay the whole amount. That will be from your loan, or if you are self-funding, then you can do that also. So
Correct.
that completely depends on you.
Right.
Okay, and if you are going for under construction, plan, then you need to pay the payment as slab wise. Like if my first slab will be completed, then you will be getting a demand of 5%. So it will be something like after 2 and 3 months, you will be getting a demand of certain amount that will be something
Hmm.
around 5 to 10% of amount.
Hmm.
of the agreement value. In that only we will be, deducting, we will be taking your GST. So your GST won't be taken to get, like the whole amount would
Like out of my token, you'll be taking GST?
No, not
Okay,
from
out
the
of my
token.
booking amount, will you be taking GST?
No, nothing. Till
You're
the
not
time
taking
of
GST
registration,
from my
I am
booking
not
amount.
taking, no, I am not taking GST, I am not taking anything from you till the time of registration. So you just have to pay me 10% of the amount, that is your initial amount you are paying to the developer to block your unit to confirm your booking.
Okay.
And
Acha,
then
one moment.
after
Now block your unit ऐसा है. See, when I give a token.
Yes.
Okay. Now, is it a tentative booking or is it a firm booking?
It will be a firm booking. Why you
From
need to be, in doubt for this? Because, sir, see, I
No,
want
I'll
to
ask you a
ask you
question.
just,
I will ask you.
yeah,
Just allow me to ask you a couple of questions, please.
please,
Okay.
sir, tell me. Hanji.
See, my understanding is that token is a tentative payment.
Okay.
It is tentative from my side, and also I think it is tentative from your side. Now, the difficulty is here. Often what happens is token is seen as firm from my side but tentative from your side, because it is written, if I am not mistaken, your application form it will be written that this is a provisional booking, and at the discretion of the builder we can allot you or we will not allot you based on our discretion, and we don't have to give any reasons, etc., etc. So from your side it is tentative. Okay. But from my side, I cannot withdraw. Even if 1 hour later or 1 day later, after I have swiped my card, if I come back to you saying, wait, I had a conversation with my wife and my wife didn't approve, or my dad didn't approve or whatever, then you're going to say, sorry sir, you have paid. And now this token will be forfeited. So you will only have to go forward. So in my case, it is not tentative, it is firm. But in your case, it is tentative. Correct. No, so see, there are a few terms and conditions. No, let me put it like this. There are always terms and conditions, and it is mostly in small print. Now this tentative thing, for example, is it true or not? You tell me.
No, it is not true, because the thing is, sir, legally, when you are booking an apartment is when you do your stamp duty and registration. That is the time when you are, doing the proper booking process, because it has been registered in the government office.
So my token that I give.
From my side, your token amount and why we are taking this 10%. We could have just, took this token amount, and then we would have, told you to first do your registration.
No. Wait. So again I'm asking, just hold on. See, token. First of all, is my token refundable?
No, sir. Sir, we give this option to few of our customers. Like earlier, we used to give this refundable option, but then what happened was, कि customers used to block their unit, and then later on they used to say कि नहीं मुझे नहीं लग रहा है, later on discussing with their family and everything, नहीं मुझे नहीं लग रहा है. So what problem we faced was कि हम लोग ने तो वो unit block कर दिया आपके लिए.
नहीं, ब्लॉक किया मतलब एक मिनट ब्लॉक किया. नाउ आई वांट टू see, you have a large number of inventories. Now let us understand what is blocking. See, you basically, just a sec, and now for the moment, let us talk about under construction. Let us not even talk about the actual, ready possession. Let's talk about under construction. An under construction flat does not physically exist. It physically doesn't exist. Okay. It is existing only in terms of it is a number in your Excel sheet. So, for example, a flat number A203 or A1203 or 1205. Okay. So various dimensions, various models, various features. This one is it has got a balcony. That one has a view of the garden. That is the kind of thing. But all of it is numbers on your Excel sheet. It doesn't exist. Not a brick has been laid on the ground. Or maybe a few bricks have been laid on the ground. Okay, you've done podium or something you may have done. But flat number 1205 at 12th floor does not exist. Now it only exists in your Excel sheet. Now I suppose I come to your site and I say I'm interested. Now let us say for some moment, this thing, I am suddenly interested. Why I am interested? Well, what you said impressed me. Okay, whatever you told me, you succeeded in making me happy.
Yes.
So you said, sir, this is the benefit if you book today. Now let us say I am thinking very positively and I say yes, I'm happy. Now let me see what happens next.
Okay. So I'll tell you, sir. The thing is कि अभी आपको 805 वाला unit पसंद आया because I have told you, sir, this is garden facing, this has balcony, this is 8th floor, mid floor, you will be getting a proper ventilation and everything. ठीक है? Now you don't have anything such, you might have or you might not have कि वास्तु complex कुछ भी, या you don't have any series number that you want to, that your पंडित जी has guided you कि नहीं, हम लोग को 3 number unit चाहिए, then only this flat will be good for us.
Correct.
Or it will cause problem. So
Correct.
what happens मालूम है कि in this location majorly all the Hindu customers who come to us, they have certain numbers कि they ask me, श्वेता मेरे पास ये 10 number का series है, now give me something this number का.
Correct.
Now 802 will suit their requirement, which will come as 10. ठीक है. Now you have already blocked this unit by giving me token amount, right? Then I have to say the customer, sir, sorry, ये मेरे पास blocked है already क्योंकि customer ने मुझे token amount देके चला गया. Because I don't know that you will be asking me for a refund option, right?
No, so
that
just understand. See, one moment. Yeah. Your sales is neither beginning today nor ending today, or tomorrow, or this week, or this month. Maybe not even this year.
Yeah.
Okay. So your sales is an ongoing thing. So basically when I say I am booking something, it means that you on your Excel sheet, you are going to say, okay, this flat is taken by Mr. Rao. Okay. And you are going to put A1205. You will put a cross and you will say Mr. Rao. Now suppose tomorrow I tell you, okay, listen, I spoke to my wife, and she has many second thoughts, and we figured out that financially we are not able to do it. Or for example, we are a two earning member couple. Okay, and my wife tells me that, oh, sorry, but I have been relieved from my job, and next month onwards I have been told don't come. Now immediately I realize that my loan is not going to go through and my entire budgeting is going to change. I cannot pay your EMIs. I come back to you tomorrow and I say, listen, I am not able to go through. You will say we had blocked the inventory. Okay. We had blocked the inventory. Now what was blocked the inventory? You had in your Excel sheet, you had made one X, Krishnaraj. But this could, see, just remember, Excel sheet mein you made a cross, I did not cause you any losses. But you are going to say liquidated damages 10% and you will take away my entire booking amount if I have given you booking amount.
Sir, you have your genuine problem, right? This is your genuine issue ki Shweta, my wife is, going through this, so we cannot proceed with this ahead. But then, there are lot of customers.
No,
like
so let us talk about genuine problems. You know what's genuine?
But then just because, 20% of the people have genuine problems, but then 80% of the people, what they do is, they come at the site, because they know it is, refundable. So what they are going to do, they will, okay, ठीक है, चलो 50,000 मुझे swipe करना, मैं कर लेता हूँ. कोई बात नहीं है. Then
the laws and the rules have to be fair to everybody, no? It cannot be said, look, there are crooks, so we are going to keep it for crooks only. Therefore, the law is made for crooks, but you will be a casualty. Let me tell you one. Let me give you one case. Let me just, since you are a woman, you will understand. I'll tell you one.
Yes.
There is a lady, you can check this on YouTube today. There is a lady whose husband is a soldier on the border. Okay. Now, they booked a flat at Lodha Palava, incidentally. They booked a flat at Palava. And then they said they had some suitability issues. Then they said, no, we cannot refund. So you will have to adjust by booking another flat and you will have to upgrade. So they upgraded. They had already paid 40 lakhs. They upgraded.
now you know what they are saying? They are saying, no sir, that was the different company, whatever the name of the company was. It was a Lodha company. That's a different company. And this is a different company. Now this woman is saying, she's saying, my husband is fighting at the border. He could not pay attention to all this. I have been fighting, battling all this. Now Lodha is saying they're still not going to refund. This is one story. Another story, a widow, a woman whose husband died in COVID. Okay. They refused to refund her. Genuine problem. Two-person household became one-person household. She is now a single mother with a kid. They refused to refund her. They said, we will not refund you. She recorded the sales that person, you know, the representative of Lodha who called. And he is very clearly heard saying, ma'am, you have already paid this amount, but sorry ma'am, we will have to go forward. You cannot go back. He says it very nicely. Condolences on the death of your husband and all that. But end of the day, see, it is not like, oh, if you have a genuine problem, it will get looked at. Genuine problem or, you know, gadhe gode sab ek ho jate hain. It is like that. So, refund will not happen. Gadhe gode ek ho jayenge. I mean, there will be no refund. So, and on the spoken, so see, these are terms and conditions. So why we are having this conversation is, see, terms and conditions are like the thin edge of a wedge. Once they get in, then behind the terms and conditions of the application form are the terms and conditions of the allotment letter. And behind the terms and conditions, yeah, tell me.
Sir, I need to correct you. Please, I'm sorry to interfere.
No.
But then the thing is that one of my customers, name was Suresh. Okay? He booked an apartment in Lodha Quality Homes. He gave me 50,000 of amount. Okay? We clearly said him that this is not refundable. But then, you know, due to his issue, like his dad was not in town and something happened wrong with them. Then he came to me, said, Shweta, I cannot, I don't have the money to pay now.
Correct.
So, and also I need my 50,000 back because I am going through this situation and I need my money back.
Correct.
So what we did, so I refunded. I genuinely, my management, and we refunded his amount. Because whoever has this genuine problem, if you go directly to the Lodha, if you go directly, that is why I, as a marketing partner, you know, we ask the customer to be with us to take my name because, you know, I will be helping.
You are a channel partner, is it? You are the channel
marketing partner.
Marketing partner means channel partner, or is it something different?
So there are different, you know, terms for marketing partner. You can use as channel partner, but then we as a company, we do marketing for the developers.
Like what's the difference?
Coding you see.
What is the difference between
channel partner or broker? They are, they randomly call the customer and they invite by giving any false commitment because they get incentives, they get brokerage, and also they get 100-200 rupees on every customer, whoever walks in. Through them, but then we don't get any kind of brokerage, or we don't get anything of 100-200 rupees on the walk-ins of customer. So
you don't get brokerage per customer. You don't get brokerage per walk-in, is it?
No, we don't. We are appointed here as a company to do the marketing, and we are on the salary basis, but we get incentives on certain achieved targets because this is sales. So in sales, we have some incentives. So that is the difference between, and also we are here because brokers and channel partners, they are on temporary basis. They work for 6 months or they work for 1 year, and they fluctuate to other field. They are not on permanent basis. But here, my company is from last 10 years. I am working since last 3.5 years. So we are here as a permanent people, which will, we are going to help you throughout the process till the time of you receive.
No, but refund, etc., you will not help. No, see what happens, I'll tell you. Quite honestly.
If you have a genuine problem, sir, if you come and tell me.
A widow, a woman whose husband died, उससे genuine हो सकता है क्या? A woman whose husband has gone to the border to fight, उसको रिफंड नहीं, आप नहीं थे बराबर है, लेकिन आपके ऊपर भरोसा सी, पेपर वर्क हम किसके साथ करेंगे? लोधा के साथ करेंगे। पेपर वर्क हम लोधा के साथ करेंगे।
ओके
सर वो कस्टमर केयर होते हैं, क्या होता है ना
हाँ तो
कि
सीआरएम में भेजेंगे।
हमें एक स्ट्रिक्टली बोला गया है कि अभी आपने आज बुकिंग किया, आपका केस अभी कस्टमर केयर के पास चला जाएगा, अगर
करेक्ट
इसमें
ना,
मार्केटिंग पार्टनर इन्वॉल्व नहीं है,
करेक्ट
मेरे
ना,
जैसा अगर कोई बंदा इन्वॉल्व नहीं है।
करेक्ट
कस्टमर केयर को क्या बोला जाता है कि रिफंडेबल का ऑप्शन नहीं है, अब कस्टमर का जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो।
करेक्ट, वही हो रहा है, वही हो रहा
तो
है,
अब
एग्जैक्टली।
कस्टमर केयर के ऊपर प्रेशर है, कस्टमर केयर सीधा ना बोलेगा, कस्टमर केयर वो आगे केस भी नहीं लेके आएगा। लेकिन मैं जहाँ पे वेयर आई एम डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू लोधा, वेयर आई एम डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द साइट हेड एंड आई एम डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द मार्केटिंग हेड।
No, but you will be, even if you are directly connected, what happens is, see, our paperwork is not with you. Your paperwork, at the most, maybe your name will be there in the application form. Will your name be there in application form?
Yes,
Like when we
obviously.
name, it will be your employer. It will be the name
Yes,
of your employer
my name, my signature will be there. My
in
name,
the
my
application
signature.
form. Correct.
Yeah,
But
on the
your
booking form.
correct. But in the booking form, your duties are not there. What your duties are. See, as far as what happens is, we are entering into a direct connection with Lola. After that,
No,
there is
you
no
are not
connection with
entering
you.
into a direct, sir. My
Hmm.
customers, my booked customers, on the first visit I have given them pickup and drop. They still ask me, for the to see the flat or anything happens. If they want to come at the site, I still give them pickup and drop from my side because they are my customers. So my
No,
duty,
pick up and drop
my
from your side
responsibility.
means it
No,
is
no, it
your
is not just
employer's
about
side, no?
pick up and drop, sir.
Hmm.
It is not just about pick up and
Hmm.
drop.
Hmm.
Whatsoever happens, I come at the site with them. To
No,
talk to
yaar,
the
nahi
management
hota
and
hai.
everything.
It doesn't
Also, I
happen.
told him,
It
sir,
doesn't.
it happens. It
It
happens in
doesn't
my case.
happen.
I don't know with whom you have dealt before. I don't know who were they because
See,
they have
once I
spoiled
came
my
to
name.
Palava, I'll tell you what happened. Once I even came to Palava, okay, and
Yeah.
they gave me pickup and drop off. So
Hanji.
what happened is there was this mela. I came alone, but most of the people were there as couples. I think it was a Saturday. Okay,
Okay.
most of the people were there in couples, and very very quickly, he quickly walks me through. It is right near Palava main gate. There is this sales office. So very quickly, within about 15-20 minutes, he talks to me, this, that, this, that, this, that. Then he says, sir, closing manager के साथ मैं बैठा देता हूँ. And he passes me on to closing manager. Now, whoever I had come with, I had told him very clearly, I want to see the flat. Okay. Now, this guy, what he does is, he passes me on to closing manager. And closing manager shows me, sir, ये आपको design अच्छा लगा, वो अच्छा लगा, ये brochure, वो brochure, this, that. And then, sir, which one are you preferring? Okay. Now, whichever one I am preferring, it doesn't mean I am going to buy that. I prefer it. I like it. But doesn't mean I have to buy it. Just because I like something doesn't mean I have to buy it. I see a lot of things in malls. I don't have to buy it. Okay. So I said, yeah, I like this. Okay, sir. So the payment schedule for this is ta 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 ta. Ta. I said, wait. I had come here with a specific promise that I am going to see the flat. Okay. You know what they said? They said, wait sir, I'll let me see if I can make some arrangement for you. ऐसे allowed नहीं है, but I'll see if I can make some arrangement for you. Then he goes and talks to somebody, comes back. Then that person comes to me and says, sorry sir, there seems to be some problem, but we can take you to the compound of that building, but we can't take you into the building. I said, boss, what is the point of me going to the compound of the building and seeing the building from outside? I want to see the building. I want to be there. I want to see the flat. I want to see which flat I am booking. No, sir, that is not possible. So then I felt like a real fool that day. I refused to go forward and I returned by cab. Of course, it was nice of them to book the cab even though I was just, I had not signed on. So, but I just came back. It was just a waste of my time and it is from Palava. I'm talking about a Palava city experience. So what happens is you will hand me over to the closing manager. Those guys are specialists. Okay. Their whole thing is how to get a person to sign. They move very fast. And people were ringing bells, cheer for Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, proud owners of so and so flat, P203 and all that kind of thing. So you get a lot of this happening and I start looking around and another 20 minutes later there's something called the bullpen, they call you to the front of the stage. It feels like a birthday party. They call it the bullpen, I think. It really feels like a birthday party, like you're attending a kid's birthday party and you're the winner of a housey. Your first line complete, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. Second line complete, Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal. This way. You feel like that. And you feel left out at the end of the day. So you want to not be left out, so you want to swipe. That temptation is very strong. But I was not going to do it, and not without seeing the flat. So that day I returned. So it was a very sad experience. But end of the day, I realized that no matter what you are assuring me, end of the day, what happens is the way that place works, it works according to a system. They have their own systems.
Yes.
You will not be there. You are a voice at the end of the phone. I am another voice at the end of the phone, right? So कोई रिश्तेदारी तो नहीं है. So while you are doing your duty and you are earning a salary, you will not be there because their system is their system, and you will say, sir, I'll be just back. बोलोगे you will hand me over to the closing manager. He will sit me down at the table and say, sir, what are you looking for? How can I help you? Which one do you want? And within 20 minutes, he is going to go to, sir, this flat, it looks just right for you. And believe me, it's a very powerful temptation. Very powerful temptation. Okay. I feel like a fool if I leave without swiping. I have felt like a fool without, it feels very unsatisfactory. But that is what it is. You can't go swiping your card everywhere. Now the thing is, the lesson I learned from this, and one thing I have seen, I have looked at terms and conditions of other builders. They have different terms and conditions, but some of them call it tentative and some of them call it provisional. I don't know what your this thing calls it, but very clearly your terms and conditions are saying that you are not allotting the flat to me on that day. No. But I am giving an irrevocable token to you on that day. You are not allotting the flat to me. Even if I have given you a token, see, usually, suppose you are selling your house as a person. Okay. So suppose I come to your house, I see the house, I like it, and I say, okay, done. We negotiate the price and I give you a token. And I say, okay, here is a token. And I give you a token of 1 lakh rupees. Then you will not show that house to another customer and you are then bound to sell it to me. That is why you have accepted the token. That's the way the deal works between individuals. But आपके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में आप खुद देख लीजिए. आपने अगर देखा नहीं है तो आप देख लो एक बार. It is very clearly written that builder has not allotted this flat. It is my application letter to you, but you have not written an allotment letter. You have not given me an allotment letter to me. Okay. And you will give me an allotment letter at the end of booking amount 3 or 2 or whatever you call it. At the end of 9%, then you may send me a welcome mail. That will come at the end of everything. But until then, you are not tied. You are not bound to give me a flat. If you want, you can reject. You can say, we don't like to, I don't know, we don't like to give Muslims or whatever. Whatever reasons. You may not even give a reason. You will not give a reason. You will just say, sorry sir, your application has been rejected. It's an application. It is not a handshake. We are not entering into any kind of contract. So from your side, that is builder side, not your side as a marketing partner, but as builder side, he is free. He is free, but I am tied. My token has gone to you. After that, आप हाथ पैर मारोगे. Then you will say, sir, I spoke to them. Sorry, sir, नहीं हो पाया. I spoke to them, नहीं हो पाया. Now it is not within your power to give me. It is within your power to help me speak to them. Sir, it's a very reasonable request. ये हो गया है, job loss हो गया है, जो भी हो गया है, tragedy हो गया है, जो भी हो गया है. First of all, I'll have to prove to you कि tragedy हो गया है. Something really big. It is not a small thing. I can't just say, no, my mom doesn't want a flat in Dombivli. I can't say that to you because you'll say, what, you are asking your mom? So I can't come back to you with that kind of response. I'll have to come to you with like my entire bank account has collapsed. Then maybe you will consider it. That also you will tell the Lodha people, sir, please करके आप अगर करवा सके तो मेरा बनता है, which 90% of the times नहीं होगा. वो they will say, sorry sir, company policy ऐसे नहीं है. So my simple word to you again is, see, my very simple guzarish to you is, आपका
Yes,
जो
sir.
एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है, वो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में ये सब लिखा हुआ होता है, that it is tentative, that it is provisional from your side, all those terms and conditions. There is small print, and the small print means something. It is not meaningless. Each and every word of the small print means something. Na?
Yes.
So, if you are telling me to come, book, swipe my token, you will get I'm sure you will get your this thing, performance incentives. You know, if I swipe the token, immediately आपका जो भी जितना भी मिल रहा है वो मिल जाएगा आपको. मैं वहां पे फंस जाऊंगा ना.
सर आप फंसेंगे नहीं. आपने
क्या
सर
बात
सुनिए,
कर
पहले अभी मेरी बात सुनिए, ठीक है. अगर आप मुझे डे 1 पे बोलते हैं श्वेता आज मैं अगर टोकन मेरे को अगर मुझे ये बोलेंगे ना श्वेता आज मैं सिर्फ देखने आ रहा हूँ, मुझे स्वाइप नहीं करना है, तो मैं वहाँ पे कोई भी बंदा आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा कि सर आज स्वाइप करिए, ठीक है. ये मेरा केस है क्योंकि मैं सर 3.5 ईयर्स से मैं काम कर रही हूँ. मतलब मैंने भी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस लिया है. मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे आज के डेट में कस्टमर्स है जो आफ्टर बुकिंग भी मतलब इतने टाइम के बाद भी वो मुझे याद करते हैं.
ठीक है. I respect that. Now you see 3.5 years you've been working, so you have a track record, you have a voice, you have a certain amount of respect with your colleagues, with your bosses, okay, with Lodha management, whoever, CRM, sales, whatever, okay. अब मुझे एक बात बताइए आप.
जी.
आप मेरे पैसे भी आप वापस दिला सकते हो. आप कोशिश कर सकते हो. करेक्ट.
हाँ जी. नहीं, मैं आपको दिला सकती हूँ. क्यों? अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे श्वेता कि ये मैं स्वाइप तभी करूँ जब ये मुझे 2 दिन, अगर आप आज आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, आज मुझे आप बोलें कि श्वेता चलो मैं स्पॉट बुकिंग ऑफर के लिए मैं स्वाइप तो कर दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये रिफंडेबल ऑप्शन मुझे चाहिए क्योंकि मैं अभी तक मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ मेरे बैकएंड से, मतलब मेरे फैमिली में और भी लोग हैं डिस्कस करने के लिए, जिससे मुझे एक कंफर्मेशन चाहिए तो ही मैं बुकिंग प्रोसेस आगे कर सकता हूँ. बट देन आई एम स्वाइपिंग राइट नाउ जस्ट टू ब्लॉक योर ऑफर्स.
तो आपका उतना पावर अगर है, आपका उतना अगर पावर है, इन्फ्लुएंस है, जो भी है, तो आपका इतना भी इन्फ्लुएंस होगा कि आप ऑफिशियली मुझे एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, बुकिंग फॉर्म का कॉपी सुनिए, अगर आपका उतना पावर है तो आपका इतना भी पावर होना चाहिए कि टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म क्या है.
सर
चलिए एक काम करते हैं.
मेरे नहीं सेंड कर सकते. क्यों मैं बताऊं? क्योंकि अभी तक आप साइट पे आए नहीं है. अभी तक मैं आपसे सिर्फ फोन पे बात कर रही हूँ और मुझे पता है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप जेन्युइन कस्टमर हो, ठीक है, लेकिन अभी तक आप साइट पे आए नहीं हो. मैंने आपसे अभी तक मिला नहीं है, आपने मुझसे आगे की बात की नहीं है कि श्वेता मुझे कुछ करना है. आप सिर्फ अभी वर्बली, मैं आपको वर्बली बता रही हूँ जैसे आपने मुझे बोला कि
नहीं, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. आई एम जस्ट अ वॉइस ऑन द कॉल, but I will be physically manifesting myself there. Yes, you will be giving me pick up drop off, लेकिन I will be spending my time. तो obviously genuine होना ही है. और दूसरी बात, ये terms and conditions जो है कोई सीक्रेट तो नहीं है. ये कोई नहीं, जो भी है. चलो ऐसे समझ लो कि मैं फालतू का कस्टमर हूँ, जस्ट फॉर सेक ऑफ डिस्कशन. ओके, आई एम वेस्टिंग माई टाइम. चलो टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ. ओके, ये समझ के चल लेते हैं. 1 मिनट के लिए ऐसे समझ के चलते हैं. नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क यू, do you really think that terms and conditions of a builder who is selling a flat, who is going to take a token, and your intention is to take a token, okay, obviously that is when you will succeed. That is what you are there for. That's when you learn your salary. So your entire intention is and maybe should be to take a token from me, because that is where you are justifying your salary. Now if that is the intention, तो उसके जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस हैं, जो स्मॉल प्रिंट है, वो सीक्रेट तो नहीं होने चाहिए, वो गुप्तराज तो नहीं होना चाहिए. वो पढ़ने को तो मिलना चाहिए बिफोर द पर्सन कम्स. एंड आई विल टेल यू व्हाई. यू नो एंड आई नो कि आज अभी अगर हम दोनों टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को लेके फोन पे बैठ गए ना, तो इवन इफ आई रीड एट अ वेरी क्विक पेस, ये टॉकिंग पेस में मैं रीड करूंगा ना, आधा घंटा लगेगा टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस के बिगिनिंग से एंड तक पहुंचने को. मिनिमम आधा घंटा लगेगा. देख लो, विदाउट पॉजिंग फॉर टू डिस्कस व्हाट द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस मीन. खड़ पढ़ेंगे ना, आधा घंटा लगेगा टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को पढ़ने को. यू नो इट, यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट, यू हैव सीन इट, राइट? यू हैव सीन द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस. ओके, और मैं इंग्लिश अच्छी तरह से बोलता हूँ, अच्छी तरह से पढ़ता हूँ. आई स्पीक इंग्लिश, आई वॉक इंग्लिश, आई टॉक इंग्लिश, आई थिंक इंग्लिश, राइट? सो आई कैन डू दैट. मैं आधे घंटे में उसको पढ़ भी लूं,
लेकिन आप सोचो ऑर्डिनरी मैन नहीं पढ़ेगा, उसके लिए इंग्लिश बहुत मुश्किल है। और वो भी लीगल इंग्लिश है, इट इज नॉट जस्ट इंग्लिश, इट इज लीगल इंग्लिश। वो सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ना और ग्रहण करना और समझना आधा घंटा नहीं, एक पूरे दिन का काम है। अगर आदमी आराम से बैठेगा ना, शाम को सुबह को पढ़ेगा तो शाम को जाके उसका ट्यूबलाइट में बत्ती ऑन होगा कि बॉस ये टर्म एंड कंडीशन का मीनिंग क्या है। सुबह से शाम तक इट विल जस्ट हैव टू लाई देयर इनसाइड हिज ब्रेन, तब जाके उसको समझ में आएगा। डू यू अग्री?
Yes, I agree on your
करेक्ट।
point.
तो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस आर डिफिकल्ट ना, डिफिकल्ट इंग्लिश में डिफिकल्ट लीगल स्टफ है जो भारी भरकम है। अभी वो भारी भरकम चीज गुप्त राज तो नहीं हो सकते हैं। अब आपके लिए इट मेक्स इट इजियर टू सेल। अगर बंदे ने वो पढ़ा है तो ऑब्वियसली इट इंक्रीजेस द डिफिकल्टी लेवल फॉर यू टू सेल। आई एग्री विथ यू। आप जानबूझ के क्यों, व्हाई विल यू मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ टू सेल, वो भी मैं समझता हूँ। सो इट इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट, okay, but from the point of view of customer, it makes it highly dangerous for him to enter an environment where you are going to be trying to make him swipe his token, okay, and giving him you may give him a good discount, you may say 1 lakh, you may say 2 lakhs, I don't know what you are going to say, okay. Now suppose you say, sir, we will give you 3 lakh rupees discount if you book today and we won't give it to you if you book tomorrow, तो वो बेचारा टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को बाजू में रख के साइन कर देगा, नॉट नोइंग व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस, नॉट नोइंग व्हाट आर द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस, ही विल साइन। नो, इजंट इट ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी? आप मुझे ये बताओ, सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू बाय अ हाउस, you and your husband are going to buy a house. I don't know if you're married, I'm just assuming. Suppose you are going to buy a house, would you want your husband to go and buy a house, and at the stroke of somebody saying 10% discount or 5% discount?
So what I will do is, sir, if first I decide myself that because I know the location, I know what they are offering to me, first I will get sure कि श्वेता आपको ये जगह पे घर लेना है कि नहीं, श्वेता आपको ये बजट सूट हो रहा है कि नहीं, श्वेता कैन यू मैनेज दिस फाइनेंसेस और नॉट, श्वेता इज दिस हाउस कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू और नॉट, कैन यू सर्वाइव इन दिस हाउस फॉर योर for your remaining life. If everything suits my requirement,
and can you complete the payment or not? See, very important is वो survive सब बाद में आएगा. If you don't complete the payment तो forfeit हो जाएगा. You know that.
Exactly. That's
अच्छा, forfeit कितना? It's not only 10%. By the way, is it only 10%? Is it?
Yeah,
suppose I have paid 50%. Now suppose I paid 50%. And after paying 50%, I am no longer able to go forward. और मेरा बैंक लोन डिसबर्स हो गया, 25,000 बैंक लोन, 25 लाख बैंक लोन डिसबर्स हो जाता है, आपके पास आ जाता है, यानी आपके पास मतलब लोधा के पास आ जाता है। उसके बाद मेरा जॉब लॉस हो जाता है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू पे EMI. बैंक विल नेचुरली से पे द एंटायर अमाउंट, प्रीपे द एंटायर अमाउंट, और इट विल से पे EMIs और एल्स क्या होगा, और एल्स ये होगा कि भाई वो जब फ्लैट को ऑक्शन पे डालेंगे और बिकेगा तब जाके मेरे पैसे शायद वापस मिलेंगे, और कितने वापस मिलेंगे, यू नो दैट 10% तो कट के ही आएंगे मिनिमम, उससे ज्यादा उससे कम। मतलब मेरा 4-5 लाख 10 लाख का नुकसान तो ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे हो जाएगा। नाउ आई हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिफोर आई डू फ्लैट बुकिंग। नो,
एग्जैक्टली वही मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ सर, कि आप लेने से पहले आप पहले ये डिसाइड करो कि मैं सब फिनेंसेस मैनेज कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं,
तो
मेरे पास अभी इतना अमाउंट है। टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस में सर कोई है, लेकिन उसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं लिखा है।
तो रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है तो क्यों शेयर नहीं हो रहा है, ये बताओ। और रॉकेट साइंस ही है क्योंकि मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ।
मुझे सर, मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ, मेरी बात सुनिए सर। रॉकेट साइंस मतलब वो इसीलिए शेयर नहीं हो पाता है क्योंकि कैसा है कि मेरे अलावा लोधा पलावा के अलावा बहुत से लोग मार्केट में डेवलपर बैठे हुए हैं जिनको मेरा इनसाइड स्टोरीज है, तो वो क्या करेंगे सर? सुनिए ना मेरी बात।
आपका कौन सा इनसाइड स्टोरी आपके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में लिखा है, कौन सा गुप्त राज आपके एप्लीकेशन?
वही मैं आपको बता रही हूँ सर, वही मैं आपको
तो गुप्तराज है
कि कैसा है कि उसमें कुछ लिखा रहेगा और रुनवाल वाले का इसमें कुछ और लिखा होगा। तो
हाँ।
वो लोग आपको वो चीज के ऊपर नेगेटिव करेंगे, जहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, अगर आप एक साइट पे आते हैं, आप ये मानेंगे कि वहाँ पे मेजर चीज जो होती है वो मैनिपुलेशन होता, मतलब मैनिपुलेशन इन द सेंस कि आपको अच्छी अच्छी चीजें दिखाई जाती है और आपको दूसरे डेवलपर की बुरी बुरी चीजें दिखाई जाती है।
करेक्ट,
फिर
जो आप
वही
नहीं करते हो
developer-
लेकिन बाकी सब लोग करते हो।
नहीं, हम भी करते हैं ना, क्यों नहीं करेंगे हम लोग भी आपको बताएंगे। मुझे मेरा प्रॉपर्टी बेचना है तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी ना सर, दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी क्यों खराब है और मेरा प्रॉपर्टी क्यों अच्छा है।
लेकिन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में तो कुछ लिखा नहीं
सर
होता।
लेकिन ये कस्टमर, लेकिन ये मैं आप साइट पे आइए, मैं आपको पूरा का पूरा, मैं आपको पूरा दिन दूंगी। सर एक काम करिए, आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे आइए और मेरा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरिए, पढ़िए। आपको कोई कुछ नहीं यहाँ पे बोलेगा कि सर आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्यों बैठे हैं, या आपको कोई इग्नोर करेगा या लेफ्ट आउट, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं होगा। आप
हर्ड
सिर्फ
दैट
आइए।
बिफोर। अच्छे केक्स और कॉफी भी मिलता है, आई नो, मैं वहाँ बैठ के कॉफी पिया हूँ। I have eaten cake also. I have eaten very good 5-star food at Lodha sales offices. तो बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है एंड आप कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में
आप
बैठा
मेरा
दोगे।
टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस ही पढ़िए, आप मेरे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस ही पढ़िए। आपको आज के दिन बुकिंग नहीं करना है, आज सिर्फ आज आप आके मेरा टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस पढ़ के आप कल मुझे बताओ कि सर आपको बुकिंग करना है कि नहीं। या तो आप घर पे जाओ, फिर आप फैमिली से डिस्कस करो। अगर आपको एक ही दिन का वो स्पॉट ऑफर चाहिए तो आप घर में डिस्कस करो, फैमिली से डिस्कस करो और रात तक मुझे बताओ। या तो नहीं हो पा रहा है तो मैं एज अ मार्केटिंग पार्टनर, मैं श्वेता पांडे, मैं मेरी टीम को ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, अगर आप मुझे बोलते हैं आज तो मैं जा रहा हूँ, मुझे फैमिली में डिस्कस करना, कल मैं वापस आऊंगा, मुझे बस सेम प्राइसिंग दिला देना।
आई एम गोइंग टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू एज अ मार्केटर। यू आर एन एक्सेलेंट मार्केटर। If I had a marketing agency, I would definitely be hiring you. I would be asking you, Shweta, आप कितने में काम कर रही हो? I'll pay you more. Come to my side, okay? Because one is you are very very patient. You are amazingly patient. You are a good listener. You are a fantastic. You are a very convincing person.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस सर। मैं आपको बस यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी सर कि आप आके एक बार आइए साइट पे।
Until and unless I see the this thing terms and conditions, I won't go. I won't.
ठीक है, व्हाट आई विल डू इज, मुझे थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए, आधे घंटे का। लेट मी सी कि कोई बुकिंग वाला यहाँ पे है तो मैं उसमें से फोटो खींच के आपको मैं भेजने का ट्राई करती हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू।
विल दैट बी फाइन सर?
दैट विल बी गुड। थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। थैंक यू सर।